With the growing importance of location data and technology in the EV industry, particularly in enhancing safety, efficiency, and driving experiences, it was only a matter of time before HERE Technologies, a location data and technology platform, partnered with NIO's new car brand, Firefly, to provide high-quality map data and location services for its electric vehicles. The partnership aims to enhance the efficiency, safety, and overall driving experience of Firefly's intelligent EVs and advanced driver assistance systems. Firefly will utilize HERE's map data to support various features, including intelligent speed assistance, which is required across the European Union. This feature will enable Firefly's vehicles to incorporate speed limit information, ensuring compliance with EU regulations. In addition to intelligent speed assistance, Firefly will benefit from a range of HERE location services through HERE's collaboration with Telenav. These services include digital cockpit and navigation experiences designed specifically for EVs, complete with real-time traffic insights. This will provide Firefly users with seamless in-car navigation and a software-defined vehicle experience. NIO's Vice President of Global Business Development, Christian, emphasized the importance of partnering with HERE, citing the company's expertise in providing high-quality, automotive-grade location technology required to meet international safety and regulatory standards. Chun stated that HERE's technology will enable Firefly drivers to experience seamless and intelligent mobility solutions, regardless of their location. Dion Newman, HERE's General Manager and Senior Vice President for Asia Pacific, noted that HERE is dedicated to equipping Chinese automakers with AI-powered location intelligence solutions that set the global standard for automotive-grade live maps. This collaboration is part of a larger trend of HERE partnering with EV companies to enhance their location-based services. In January 2025, Sony Honda Mobility collaborated with HERE Technologies to integrate advanced location data and technology into its new EV brand, Afeela. NIO's launch of Firefly is expected to further accelerate the company's growth by reaching new segments of EV consumers. With over 42,094 vehicles delivered globally in the first quarter of 2025, a 40.1% increase year-on-year. The introduction of Firefly will likely contribute to this momentum, expanding NIO's reach to a new segment of EV consumers. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.